Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Time FK7. My name is Chris and I make videos of this 2021 Honda Civic Sport hatch. And as you can see, I have Aubrey with me here today. That's because she's going to be helping me install one of the Duckbill spoilers on this Honda Civic. Let's go. It's time for subscriber builds, where I feature your builds on my video. And today we have a special build on our channel because he's also a YouTuber and his name is also Chris. This is Laos House's build and he says, "It's Chris from the Laos House channel on YouTube. I see that you're showing off subscriber Honda build and I happen to be a subscriber. I made a submission video for my Honda so that you can showcase it on your channel."
What's up, Time FK7 subscribers? My name's Chris from the Laos House channel and I also make Honda videos. Today I want to show you guys my build of my Honda on his channel. I like seeing other builds of Hondas, so please send yours to Chris. So let's get started. So this is my 2017 Honda Civic hatchback. On the back side we got these custom taillights. I believe these are called the Mugen taillights. So when I turn on the car, hold on. Check that out, guys. That animation is so cool. And when I hit the hazards, they look like that. Woo! Check that out. And that's what it looks like when I have the left turn signal. Next, I got these Suma Performed side markers. Instead of being a little amber bulb, it's actually white LED lights. And watch this. Left. They're sequential. They turn with the signal lights. Sheesh. And the last thing I want to show you guys is every time I start my car, this happens. Turn the blinker off. Or it turns. Very cool. So if you don't understand the Adult Swim thing, it's a trend on TikTok. I don't completely understand it, but people on TikTok love it, so there's that. That's my Honda build, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure you guys send your builds to Chris so I can see them as well. Honda gang, we out.
If you haven't already and you wanted to feature your build on the channel, send me an email at ChrisTimeFK7 so that your build can be featured on my upcoming videos. As most of you all know, I did put like a Type R style wing. It wasn't quite a replica of a Type R. It was a smaller Type R wing, which, you know, we installed ourselves. And we had some problems with it over the past 6 months of having that wing installed. So I decided to get rid of it and just stick with a duckbill for now, because once I do get the budget, I will be putting a better wing, but for now I'm going to be putting a duckbill. If you watched my previous video where I explained how the wing was wobbling and how bad it was wobbling, that's the main reason why I took the wing off, because I will be going on vacation. You know, it's a 4-hour drive and I didn't want to have anything to go bad. So if you want to check that video out, be sure to check out my previous video where I showcased how bad the wing was wobbling. It felt like every time I would go on a highway speed, the wing would just rip right off and just like hit somebody else's car or a car behind me, which, you know, you don't want that happening ever. That's like my worst nightmare. It was a tough decision. I really did like the car with the wing, but, you know, I had to do what's best. So today we're going to be installing a duckbill spoiler that we got from Amazon. And if you want to purchase it yourself, I will be linking it down below in the description. Be sure to check that out. So the tools you need for this installation are scissors,
double-sided tape, and a yayo or a towel.
Of course, your alcohol, because before applying this duckbill spoiler, you will be needing to clean off this lower spoiler that you have right here. So just wash it off with soap and water and use a clay bar to get rid of all the contaminants. And then to further cleanse it even more, go get some isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth and just clean it right up. And the reason why you want to clean as much contaminants off as much as possible, if there are contaminants left over, it will affect how the spoiler will be attached. So over time, the contaminants will ruin the adhesion of the tape. And of course we have the duckbill itself from Amazon, and it came nicely packaged, and this is what it looks like. Here you go, Aubrey, if you want to hold on to this.
Oh, I want to hold on to it.
So this is what it looks like. It already came pre-painted, so this is already a gloss black, and like this is what it looks like. It's not as aggressive as putting a spoiler on the back, but this duckbill will aid on the visual look, so it doesn't look boring back here. So we're gonna go ahead and install it. This duckbill actually comes with double-sided tape as well. I brought some extra with me just in case, you know, I need to fill in some gaps, or I need to fill in more of that area so that I can therefore have more tape so that it'll stick on even. Let's go ahead and get started. We're also going to be spraying this down with isopropyl alcohol. Gonna get our tape. Alright, it's on now. Yeah, that's not going anywhere. Alright, so this is the final result, and as you can see, it does add a little bit of aggressiveness to it. Now, it's not as aggressive as the wing, as I explained earlier, but you do get a duckbill, so it doesn't look plain back here. And yeah, it looks a lot better than stock. However, I do prefer to have the wing. If ever, you know, I would have the wing and this, because I've seen some builds with both. So I think that'll look nice as well. But this alone really makes a big change to the back of the car. So let me show you what it looks like. So that about wraps up this video. It is really easy to install this. It's basically just sticking on double-sided tape onto this duckbill. And again, if you're interested in this product, I will be linking it down in the description. If you're ever interested in LED lights or floor mats for your car, be sure to check out LastFit's website and use my code CTFK7. That's not just for Hondas, but just for all cars in general. Thank you all for watching. This is Time FK7, and peace out.